Hey guys, welcome to a 2-minute review. Let's hope I can do this in 2 minutes, so I'll do my best here. But we're going to be looking at the Surface mouse, the Arc mouse that you can fold, and it's cool, it's thin, I love it. I get questions about this thing all the time, compliments, so who doesn't love a good compliment on a mouse? So taking a look at how to actually set this thing up, we're just going to head into settings, and from there you can just go to devices, and then just simply, right here I have the pen, the dial, and then the Arc mouse right there. If you're actually setting up a new one though, if this is your first time getting it, you just go add Bluetooth device, go Bluetooth, tap on that, and then it'll show up in here. It's not actually going to right now because I've already set it up. And then once you set it up, that's all you have to do. You don't have to set it up again. If it's flat, then it's turned off, so then you're not using any battery. And then when you actually flex it like that, and then you're good to go. It's turned on. In case you're wondering, this thing does take 2 AAA batteries. Something that is cool about this mouse, but you can actually scroll up and down and even side to side depending on like what program you're in, but you can actually scroll just by simply moving your finger over the mouse there. That's gonna be it for the Surface Arc mouse. If you guys do want to see any more 2-minute reviews like this, I can of course do that. I'd be happy to. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. This is just something that I'm throwing on at the end. We're done talking about the Surface mouse now, but I just wanted to announce something kind of for my channel that's coming up. So going forward from now on, I'll be giving one of my subscribers a shout out at the end of each video. So all you'll have to do is comment, stay engaged, watch my videos, keep supporting like you guys have. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for the support lately. So all you need to do to qualify is really just subscribe, stay engaged, comment, stuff like that. That's really it. I'll just, at the end of each video, I'll leave one of the people that have done that. I'll just give them a little shout out at the end of each video, give you guys some recognition as a thank you from me. So thank you guys so much. Please consider subscribing. Again, comment. I promise that I'll respond to every single one. I really will. You guys are awesome. So thank you guys so much, and have a great day. Bye guys.